Kantay mo nga yung ano, yung Padoro Padoro yung kinakanta mo kanina. Narinig ko lang eh. Do it, do it, do it. Do it. Yo, Flary, do it. I heard you
Okay.
singing it.
Ate,
Ano?
Yung
sabi ni Tabata Sensei, wag ka daw mag-Yasumi kasi hindi mo daw ma-follow yung
Okay.
Yo,
Oo.
gawin mo yung Padoro Padoro shit. Please. I wanna hear you sing it. Kasi narinig kita pero nakikinig kasi ako sa
Like you're just kinky.
No, it's not being... Oh my
Kinky
god.
as fuck.
Oh my gosh. Ano ba talaga?
Try to say that to me again. I'll never let you catch up with me again. You'll never taste my skyflakes, bitch. Try it.
Hey. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
Your voice is ugly. Shut up.
Yeah, my voice is ugly. My voice is ugly.
Dude, it's so cute.
You're now cursed. Lolicon ka pa man.
Dude, it's not being fucking lolicon. Dude, I have Thai fetish and not lolicon shit. Fuck off.
Why with that voice though?
Wait,
Okay.
wait, did you use...
Jingle bells, jingle
Oh
bells,
shit, she
jingle all
left.
the way.
Now I can do my shit now.
Okay.
Properly.
Please do it.
Wait, what do you mean by your shit now?
Everyone does.
Yes,
I
everyone
think
does die.
Kung naiisip ko yung naiisip mo, please don't do it.
Senpai?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Dude, I'm actually streaming right now.
Then let me do this.
Quicker.
Senpai?
No. Please. Holy shit.
Yeah, stop!
Senpai, もっと人が入れてください。
What's your mother's name on Facebook? I'm gonna text her.
Shit. You fucking lefty.